We covered a lot today. Let me put it together for you. Accelerated computing launched modern AI, and the waves it started are coming to science and the world's industries. It starts with 3 chips: GPU, CPU, and DPU. And systems: DGX, HGX, EGX, RTX, and AGX that span from cloud to the edge. 150 acceleration libraries for 3 million developers, from graphics, AI, sciences, to robotics, serving $100 trillion of industries. Nvidia accelerated computing is a full stack, data center scale, and open platform. Quantum 2 is the most advanced networking platform ever built, and with BlueField 3, welcomes cloud-native supercomputing. Cybersecurity is a top threat of companies and nations. We announced a 3-pillar zero trust framework. BlueField isolates applications from infrastructure. DOCA 1.2 enables next-generation distributed firewalls. And Morpheus, assuming the intruder is already inside, uses the superpowers of accelerated computing and deep learning to detect intruder activities. We introduced new deep learning frameworks. NeMo Megatron trains large language models. LLMs will be the biggest mainstream HPC applications ever. Graphs can now be projected into DNN frameworks. And NVIDIA Modulus builds and trains physics-informed machine learning models that can learn and obey the laws of physics. GPU acceleration, data center scale, and physics-informed machine learning will give us million-x speedups and revolutionize drug discovery and climate science. Triton, an inference server for all workloads, now inferences forest models and does multi-GPU, multi-node inference for large language models. We introduced many exciting new libraries. Reopt for the $10 trillion logistics industry. cuQuantum to accelerate quantum computing research. cuNumeric to accelerate NumPy for millions in the Python community. The next wave of AI is enterprise and industrial edge, where AI will automate at the point of action. We offer several edge robotics application frameworks: Metropolis, the new Clara Holoscan, Isaac, and Drive. We highlighted 3 important technologies needed to enable edge AI: Unified Computing Framework, the new Maxine, and Omniverse. NVIDIA Unified Computing Framework is built for robotics applications. Edge applications are different than cloud. They stream sensors, do signal or physics processing, AI inference, speech, computer graphics, all in real time. Clara Holoscan, built with UCF, is a new software-defined medical instruments platform and runs in the data center or Orin, our new super-fast robotics processor. The new Maxine is an avatar platform. Maxine connects computer vision, Riva speech AI, and avatar animation and graphics into a real-time conversational robot. Our Metropolis engineers use Maxine to create Tokyo, a smart kiosk application, a talking kiosk. This will be useful for smart retail, drive-thrus, and customer service. Our Drive engineers use Maxine to create Concierge. You can imagine Maxine being integrated into future Isaac and Clara Holoscan applications. Another demo showed Maxine as a video conferencing avatar, doing simultaneous multi-language conferencing. And Omniverse, our virtual world simulation engine, was a common thread throughout our entire keynote. Robots, autonomous vehicle fleets, warehouses, factories, industrial plants, and whole cities will be created, trained, and operated in Omniverse digital twins. I have one more announcement. We will build a digital twin to simulate and predict climate change. The last supercomputer we built was called Cambridge 1, or C1. This new supercomputer will be E2, Earth 2, the digital twin of Earth, running Modulus-created AI physics at million-x speeds in Omniverse. All the technologies we've invented up to this moment are needed to make Earth 2 possible. I can't imagine a greater and more important use. See you next time.
What are the greatest?
The greatest are those who are kind to others.
Nvidia Morpheus harnesses the power of GPU computing to help protect networks in a way never before possible by creating customized models tailored to your environment. Observing every detail of your network activity, Morpheus employs unsupervised learning to understand typical behavioral patterns across multiple dimensions without relying on predetermined labels of good or bad. As the AI learns, it creates not a single model, but potentially millions of models, each one with a specific digital fingerprint that is constantly scanned and analyzed. And because those models are running on Nvidia GPUs, they can be scaled out and parallelized to support massive networks, enabling cybersecurity practitioners to apply enhanced capabilities to detect anomalies quickly and reliably.
Hi.
Hello. Hello, Toy Jensen.
Hi, please ask me anything.
What are the greatest threats of climate change?
The greatest threats of climate change are the effects on human health, food security, water supplies, and the environment.
How do astronomers look for exoplanets?
Most exoplanets are found via the transit method. That was the case for the TRAPPIST-1 planets.
Tell me more about that method.
The transit method is when a planet passes in front of its star. The amount of light blocked tells astronomers the size of the planet. The duration of the transit tells astronomers the orbital period of the planet.
What telescopes use that method?
The Kepler Space Telescope used the transit method to find thousands of exoplanets.
I've heard about a satellite called TESS that is used to find planets. How does it work?
TESS is a space telescope that looks for transits.
What roles do proteins play in our cells?
Proteins are the building blocks of the body. They are the basic materials from which all living things are made. They are needed for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs.
How do they work?
Proteins are made up of amino acids. Amino acids are the basic building blocks of proteins. There are 20 different amino acids that link together in different combinations to form different proteins.
How do they catalyze chemical reactions?
Proteins are biological catalysts. Catalysts are substances that speed up the rate of a chemical reaction without being consumed by the reaction. Enzymes are proteins that catalyze increase the rate of biochemical reactions in the body.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Sure, anytime.
Hi, welcome to Shannon's Cafe. How can I help you?
Can I have a cheeseburger with a side of onion rings, please?
Would you be interested in our popular toppings for cheeseburger like bacon and fried onions?
Yeah, let's do it.
Done. Added cheeseburger with bacon and fried onions. What else?
What protein options do you have?
We have multiple options. I recommend the double protein burger. Would you like that?
Do you have any vegetarian options?
I can get you a black bean patty instead. Would you like that?
Sure.
Okay, I have added double protein burger with black bean patty to your cart. What else?
Do you have any sides?
We have these 3 vegetarian items: French fries, onion rings, and fried pickles. What would you like?
I'll have the French fries instead of the onion rings, please.
Sure. Would you like some garlic on it?
Yes, please.
Okay, I have added French fries with garlic to your cart. What else?
What salads do you offer?
We have market salad, Cobb salad, fruit salad, and side salad. Side salad is popular with our cheeseburger.
I'll do the side salad.
Alright, it is sunny out there. Would you like to add some drinks? I recommend our lemonade.
Sure.
I'll have a cola.
We have 2 options: Diet Cola and regular cola. Which one would you like?
I'll take the latter, please.
Adding regular cola. Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Okay, your total bill is $24.46. Your food will be available shortly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
BMW has continued building on the momentum of their Factory of the Future initiative we showed you earlier this year. On average, they produce one new vehicle every minute, expanding the initiative to now include digital twin projects at 3 additional factories, which total more than 6 million square meters. Meeting BMW's demands for continuous improvement and innovation requires simulation of complex production scenarios to speed output, increase agility, and optimize efficiency everywhere. Nvidia Omniverse introduces new simulation capabilities everywhere BMW needs to make critical decisions and introduce automation. BMW and their partners have also been connecting new users and tools to expand the Omniverse ecosystem. Spanning every aspect of the BMW Factory of the Future, Omniverse allows BMW to collaborate and simulate from the entire plant level down to comprehensive engineering detail.
Route planning is an extremely hard logistics problem. At industrial scale, even small routing optimizations can save billions of dollars. This example uses a virtual warehouse in Nvidia Omniverse to show the impact of optimized routing in an automated order picking scenario. An optimized plan results in orders picked in half the time and half the distance traveled. Current routing solvers can take hours to rerun and respond to incoming new orders. Nvidia Reopt runs continuously and dynamically reoptimizes in real time. When new orders come in after the robots deploy, reoptimize. When a robot goes offline, reoptimize. Nvidia Reopt responds in seconds and scales for thousands of locations. For the first time, we can now capture the dynamic behavior of the real world and respond not just intelligently, but optimally. Reoptimize your logistics today.